So I think, well,
Bella,
Kirsten, I think we'll do the lesson 14, and then maybe we'll meet again on Friday for the exam review.
If that's okay with you guys, just because I have to leave early. I have to leave at like 12:30 to go to a meeting, so I think it would be
yeah,
easier.
I mean, I could do either, but that if you need us to do that, that totally works for me too. If you
Okay.
just want to do 14 now, which I found it to be pretty easy.
Yeah, I did too. It was like the same stuff as last week, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
we should be able to get through it pretty quick, but
yeah.
let's just, do you want to go through the questions or just take the quiz? Considering last time, maybe just the questions. Do you think we'll have enough time?
I think.
don't know, I'm worried. Kirsten, you make the call.
Let's see how long part 2 is. Oh, it's really long.
But a lot of it is like the same, like, yeah, define the research question or whatever, you know?
Yeah, it's basically the same. Like, I read through the chapter, and I did part 1, and like I read a little bit through part 2, so
Yeah.
I'm fine with just going to the quiz. But
Okay, I mean, it's just basically SPSS, right, that we'll be using?
Yeah.
That's what I think.
So I think we could do it.
And I watched the video, so maybe that'll help.
Yeah, I watched the video too, and I went through I did all of the exam last night, just, in preparation for today, and so I did that, it has that in it too, and it went really well.
Awesome.
I don't know, I might be wrong, but I think the exam's going to be easier than the last one.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on one second. Bella Thomas, I know you can hear me. Can you please shut my door, honey? Because I keep hearing you coming up and down the stairs.
That's yeah.
Okay, well, will you shut the door? Thanks. Sorry, guys. I have my little, it's summer vacation, so. I used to be on my own in the daytime. Now I've got little friends, so.
That's always fun.
Yeah, I love summer, though. I love it when my kids are home, but not when I'm on a call.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm actually just pulling it up, so I just needed one sec. And I can't believe we're halfway done, guys.
I know.
No.
It's so weird.
Part of me is like, man, we're only halfway done, and the other part's like, whoa, like, we're already halfway done.
I know, me too.
I just feel like if I've gotten this far, I can make it with a passing grade,
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I still have straight A's, so that's a miracle.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see what it's like after this test, but.
True that.
Okay, we're doing 14.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Me too.
Okay.
So, I don't remember this one from the reading. Here, let me check and see.
I want to say true, but I
want to say true too, but I want to double check just in case.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, that's it.
It's true?
Uh-huh. Because it says when at least one mean is different.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, we do not reject the hypothesis when all means are equal. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. So what requirements need to be checked? So the data has to be normally distributed. The variances have to be equal.
Yeah, I think it's B and C.
I think so too.
I don't remember the sample means B. I think they said something about that though, something about it being positive, but I can't remember.
It's not a requirement. Yeah, it's B and C.
Yeah. Because the all positive is for like the F distribution.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think 5 is Q plot, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so sorry, this is like random, but it's not echoing at all right now for anybody. So I'm wondering if it's like because Jordan's not here.
Maybe.
I wondered about that too because we were talking to each other. Remember, he came in late last time. Was it last time? And we were talking fine, and then when he showed up, it got really echoey for me.
Yeah, so, and then he had all this weird, like, disturbance stuff going on when he was talking, too.
Yeah.
And there's always some kind of weird noise in the background, too. Do you ever hear it? It sounds like a robot or something.
I know, yeah.
What is that?
Alright, we'll blame it on him then. Just kidding.
Yeah, Jordan.
Hold on one second. We're doing chores, and I can't find my son's chore chart. I don't know. Is it over there? You must have taken it out of here. Okay, you guys need to go out, please, and shut the door. I'll be done in just a minute.
Are these all the worksheets I have?
Yes, you have 3 worksheets to do. Sorry, guys.
You're
okay.
Fine.
Did we decide 5 is construct a QQ plot?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so 6, I think it's the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
And
right.
on that one, just to clarify, like, we just take do we take the largest and divide it by the smallest, or so we did? I can't remember. Because it said it, and I tried it, and it worked, and now I can't remember.
I think you take the smallest and you multiply it by 4, and if it's like smaller than the largest one, I don't know.
Or I think maybe you divide the largest by the smallest, and then if it's less than 4, I think is what it. Anyway, okay, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it 4?
I feel like that's a trick question.
I know, like it's too easy, but I'm not sure.
I don't know, I guess I'll write it out.
Okay, let's look and see.
So you'd have like 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 3.
I think there's more, because wouldn't you have...
Yeah. So you have 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4.
2 and 1. We already have that.
3 and 4. I think 6. I'm not sure though.
I think right here, just like I'm putting it out.
Because I just did like 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. And then I did 2 and 3, 2 and 4. Yeah, but I did 2 and 1, so it's already happened.
6. I think you're right. That sounds right.
That's like a really random question.
I know.
I don't remember anything about that one either.
I know. Okay.
Whatever.
So what? Well, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Because we have 3 and 1. We have. Is there 5 or 6?
It's 6.
There's 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4.
And 3 and 4.
6. I wrote them out, and there's.
Yeah, there is 6. I wrote out 6, and then I thought there were 5. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Really good today.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we need to open up an SPSS. The soccer shoes one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
What the heck? Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
It's like,
I'm sorry, I didn't head on the question, and I was like, what?
yeah, I did the same thing, like, right at the same time as you.
Okay, so we need to do an ANOVA test.
Sorry, this takes forever for mine to get loaded. So.
Oh, that's okay. It takes mine forever too. Mine was already open, that's why mine's so fast.
Oh. I should have opened it before.
Do we need to do descriptive statistics or just compare the means in ANOVA?
I think it's compare the means in ANOVA. Is that right, Aubrey?
Yeah. Compare means one way ANOVA. I think so.
But do we have to do something before? Because mine is like,
Yeah,
do we
mine.
have to? Because we only have one thing of data. It doesn't even show any other. It doesn't show.
We have to do like the automatic recode like we did last week.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't understand why. Because I guess because they're A, B, C, D. That's why.
Yeah.
We need to do an automatic recode on the footwear, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not even there yet, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. It's the footwear one.
Okay. All right.
I wrote this all out. Let me find one.
Yep. That's right. So yeah, so you do transform, automatic recode, and then you put the footwear in, and then you go to analyze, and then compare means, ANOVA, and the p-value is 0.081, like it says. I mean, it says it's 0.0809, but it's the same thing. So then we need to remove the SOX data.
Oh. Whoa.
And
Okay, hold on.
say
So I don't understand that because
Yeah, how do you
take it out?
the video did not have that.
Okay, wait. I have a question really quick. So the p-value is the sig, right?
Yes.
And it says 0.081.
Mhm.
And
It's
then,
just rounded because this
I
is.
see. Okay, sorry. I thought it was okay. So now we just need to remove that one column. I don't understand what we're doing here.
I guess so. Yeah, I'm gonna try that.
But it doesn't make sense because that's our data. Aren't they all socks?
No.
Oh, just the bottom ones. Okay, I see.
So it says A, B, C, D, E, and then SOX. So I think
yeah.
That.
So we delete that and then we do again and then ANOVA test.
Yeah. I think so that's what I'm gonna try. Yeah, I have a different one. I have 0.309.
That's what I got too.
Alright, I'm not even, still haven't gotten it up, so I'm going to trust you on it.
Okay.
0.309 you say?
Yep. 0.309.
Okay, what about 9?
Oh dear.
I mean, it should be true according to what happened, but let's double check.
Well, let's think about this for a minute. I guess that would make sense because the more that we have, the more data we have, the closer it would be to the correct mean, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, wait. So would it be false then? Because the more data we have, the closer.
No, because when we take it away, it would make it a larger number, which is farther away from the
mean.
right, which is farther away from the from the and the level of significance. It would be so it would make it more. It would prove our null hypothesis more, right?
Yeah, I think it's true.
Okay.
And did you read what we have to do to the next one?
Yeah.
I guess we have to systematically remove and replace each group.
And figure
So
out
we need.
highest.
So do we need to put the soft one back and then remove another one and then check it and then do the same?
I guess.
I guess so.
Ha. Okay.
So...
It wouldn't let me put it back. Just undo it. That's weird.
Oh, really? It let me.
It gave me question marks.
That's weird.
I guess I'll just have to reopen it, huh?
Yeah, or you can just go off of what we find. Here, I'm trying it right now.
Oh, God. Go back.
Okay. I got 0.05 taking away E. So here I'm going to write these down. So we have 0.309 when you take away the box.
Okay, well that's a small one. If it's 0.05.
Yeah.
That made it go down, not up.
Oh, yeah.
And so our answer might not be right on the
yeah, so it's probably false. Yeah.
So just forget everything I said on my theories. Just proves I really don't know what I'm talking about again. Because if that is true, then that
So we think it's false then for 9?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see if I remember this though. So I go to transform automatic recode, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I do kicking accuracy as the
you do footwear. Because you want to make those letters numbers.
Yeah. Okay, why won't it let me name anything? Oh, there you go.
Okay, so far the biggest one I've got is taking away group C, and it's 0.448, but I still need to do B and A.
Weird.
Is that Faith's friends? Yeah. Okay, we'll just go out, buddies. And Okay, I don't. You must have taken it somewhere because you just had it, and you can look through these. Oh wait, you know where it is? Here you go. Sorry. Okay, now go out, please. I have this rule with my kids this summer where they have to do a certain amount of chores and summer homework before they can get their devices.
Oh,
and so it's a huge deal to get their stuff done. So they
Good for you.
get those devices. So that's the constant interrupting until they can get what they want.
Okay, I did all of them. So the highest one that I got was 0.448, taking away group C.
Okay.
So
we need to put 0.448, right?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and just so I know now, like, how did you take one away?
So I would just highlight them and press delete. And then I would do the analyze, compare means, ANOVA test, and then it would pop up underneath like the previous one. And then you go back and you just click the undo button, and then you do the same. You keep on doing it for each one.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we have to do the variance. Cool.
So can you go back and look at the one?
Mm-hmm.
Because now it's asking for when we had all of them.
How do you find...
With that one, I think you need to go to you need to do the statistics one.
Okay.
To explore, analyze descriptive statistics, and then you have to do plots, normality. Do you remember that from the video? Or did you watch the video?
Yeah.
I didn't watch it. Wait, so how do you do it?
So you go to analyze.
Uh-huh.
And then, hold on one sec.
Descriptive statistics?
Uh-huh. But inside that one, you have to go to plots.
Which one, PP or QQ?
Hold on a sec. I'm just trying to get there so I can make sure. Okay, so you go to explore, and then you put in the kicking accuracy in the dependent list, and the recode goes in the factor list. So the one with the numbers.
Yeah.
And go over to plots. Do you see the little plot? I'm sorry?
Do you do label cases by footwear?
You don't do anything, just those two.
Okay.
And then on the plots, do you see the little button that says plots?
Yeah.
Over to the right, you click on normality plots with tests and histograms also, is what it said in the video.
Okay.
And you probably remember that too.
Yeah.
And then you hit OK.
Continue then, okay. Yeah.
Did it pull it up?
Why not do anything?
Just a minute. Yeah, it takes a minute, and then it'll... Because it does like QQ plots for every single one, and then it'll give us a bunch of stats too.
Okay. Okay, there it goes. That's weird.
Oh, okay.
And see, it has all 6.
Yeah, okay.
Of them.
To find the variance.
And so then you have...
So we just need to look at the variances for each one and figure out the lowest one?
And highest, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So...
So the highest is 50. Did you guys get 53.158?
I'm still looking at the low right now.
Okay.
Okay, the lowest one is 27.208. Do you guys agree?
Okay. Yeah, 27.358, right?
I think it's 27.208 because Group C has 27.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Variance.
Okay, I was looking at the other one. Yes, 27.2.
And then for the highest, I think it's 53.158.
Okay.
Right.
Sorry, I'm just now looking at it. 28, okay.
0.15. Okay.
Wait. Sorry. What'd you say those again? I just want
So
to see if I
the
got
lowest one, the smallest one is 27.208. And the maximum is 53.158.
I did not get those numbers, but okay.
Did you get that, Aubrey? Or did you not?
I didn't. I don't know how I got my numbers.
Did you
Oh,
get
really?
a block of? Did you get a big gigantic square of data?
Yeah, I
or
did.
descriptives?
Uh-huh.
And on the variances, it's not the same as ours?
No.
Did you make sure you had like all of the data in when you analyzed it? Like, were all the columns filled?
I think so.
Or is there
Do
something?
you have like A, B, C, D, E, and SOCs?
Yeah.
Weird.
So what I did, I went to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. And then I clicked on the plots, and I clicked the descriptives and histogram, and then clicked OK. And and I used like the recode for the factor.
Uh-huh.
I used,
And then your dependent list was kicking accuracy?
but I have two kicking accuracy. Maybe that's what it is. Let me try.
Weird.
Let me try something again. Okay. Let me try this. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, so D was 53.158.
Yep.
Aha. I don't know why. Okay, that's weird. Well, I got it now. So.
Okay. That's
good.
Okay, so let me just make sure. Okay, so the maximum is 53.158. And then you said 27 point, what was it?
208.
Yeah.
0.208. Okay. Okay.
I cannot talk to you till after I'm done. I've got to hurry, and then I'll be done. I'm serious. 15 minutes, honey.
Okay.
15 minutes. Okay, set it
So
there.
13, I think that the test for equal variances is satisfied because it's normally distributed.
Oh yeah, because it keeps.
And I think the variances are equal in each group.
I did. Okay, we'll do with that.
So I think true.
Well, we can look at the QQ plots too, and to me, they look.
They're all normal, yeah.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm not sure about is the variances. Like, how do you tell if the variances are equal? Like,
Well, I guess if they're not 4 times, if the largest variance is not 4 times more than the smallest variance, then they're considered equal, right?
Oh,
or am
yeah.
I wrong about that?
No, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's true. So 13 is true, 14 is true, and 15.
The test statistic for ANOVA.
What?
Well, these are right skewed, right? Did not say, isn't that what the book said?
Yeah.
That any of the ANOVAs are right skewed?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Oh, okay, I was thinking like the box like comes up in like the like the descriptive, you know, like all the data. I'm like, that's a funny thing.
Yeah.
okay, so in the book it says the characteristics of the F distribution are it is right skewed, the values of F are never negative, which, was that a question earlier or no?
Mm-mm.
No.
Okay, and then the p-value for the ANOVA test is in the area in the right tail.
Okay.
Okay.
We will never divide the area in the tail. So we say right on that one, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And then did we change the one that we said true, and then we changed?
For which one?
I don't remember. At first we said we thought it was one thing, and then we realized.
Oh, 9, the p-value.
Yeah. 9 should be false.
Okay, good. We've changed that. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, I think we're ready.
I'm gonna submit. Yay, 100!
Woo!
That was us. Okay, awesome. Alright, so you guys are okay meeting on Friday?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, that way Jordan can be there, hopefully, too.
Yeah, and he can just watch this because it's pretty short.
Yeah.
You know. I hope, I don't know, I mean, I didn't really pay attention to the email. I'm so glad you saw that, Aubrey, but when I went back and read it, I saw that he said, you know, because of the test and everything, and to make sure we were ready, we had to have this done. The deadline is Thursday, or today, right?
I think it's tomorrow, Thursday.
Oh, tomorrow.
But I knew that Jordan, like, his schedule was like only Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are good for him. But I guess Wednesdays aren't.
Darn it. Well, he said he was working a lot more than normal, so maybe he had to work. But he can watch the video. I watched it the week I missed, and it was, I mean, it wasn't any more difficult than participating. So, all right. Well,
so it's great.
Friday then.
And then Friday, I'll be the group leader. I'll set up the broadcast and everything.
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome. Okay,
So,
thanks, guys.
11:30, right? Same time?
Yeah, 11:30 Friday. Yeah.
Sounds good. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.